Okay, today we're going to do a demonstration of a Okamoto 1224 ST 3-axis automatic surface grinder. We have 220, 230 volts for the power supply of the machine here, the coolant system over here, 12 by 24 electromatic chuck, and the control for the machine. Everything actually can be worked by hand, but we will start it up hydraulically. That's the pump, and that's the wheel. Here would be the coolant, but we're not going to run that right now. Alright, so I have here a selector switch for manual where I can have a wrap it up and a wrap it down. You have to be very careful with this. After that, you push this in and you come down like this by hand, and you pull it out when you want to go up and down automatically. You have 3 modes of grinding. You have surface grinding, and you have plunge grinding, feeding on one side of the workpiece, and plunge grinding feeding on both sides of the workpiece. So I'm going to go ahead and start this table moving. And you'll see that our cross slide moves each time also. I'll put this on. So now we have the magnet on. So each time this table reverses, there's a couple of dogs over here for setting that reversal point. Each time this table reverses, we're going to feed down whatever amount you have set here at the hand wheel. So you see here it's getting ready to reverse, and we fed. Now it's not the wheel that's turning. This is free right now. It's the inner dial. This is the surface grinding mode. It changes direction and feeds here. We also have a plunge grinding mode, meaning we're going to lock out the saddle, and now we just are feeding here. Each time the machine reverses, it feeds. If that's too much feed, you shut it down to every other side. So now it feeds only on the right side of the chuck, or every other reversal. And it feeds like that until it gets down to 0, which is coming up right here, and the feed stops. And you have a switch here to set how many empty spark out passes the machine makes before it parks. And that's it. That's the cycle. We want to start the table. There's a switch here. This controls the speed of the table. You slow it down, you can stop it. The amount of your step, your in-feed step, your cross saddle step is adjusted here. And this lever here puts you in incremental surface grinding, or up here you have a continuous back and forth, and in the middle the cross feed is turned off. And this is your speed for your table. Okay, I think that covers everything. The machine looks to be in really nice shape. It's very clear control here. You can read everything nicely. Very operator-friendly machine.